Today I want to talk about in C Sharp how you can do custom comparison of objects. For example, let's say we have a problem where we have some students, a list of students, and a student has properties such as a name and a grade. And the primary constructor says you can give the name and the grade, and it will do that. So I've added a list of students here, and the second item here is the grade. And let's say we want to sort this list such that it is sorted by the grade, and after the grade sorting it is sorted by the name, for example. And so I wrote this program which says list.sort, and then I say list for each x console.writeLine x grade and x name, and we have the class student here. So this builds fine, and if I run this program, .NET run, what you will see is that when it tried to sort, it failed. And one of the reasons it's failing is failed to compare two elements in an array. So Microsoft has provided a good, nice interface which you can implement to plug in to be able to do things like that. So let me show you the code that we can use. So basically, you can make your class implement this interface IComparable, and it is telling you it does not implement compare to, where it is basically you compare this particular object against some other object, and that's called the compare to method. So I've already implemented this method, and I can uncomment and kind of walk you through as to what this is. So this is the incoming object. So what I did was I can cast this object to as other. So we have another. I'm using a switch statement here first to look at the grade, and I'm switching and doing a grades dot compare to, because grade is a string integer, and integer already has a compare to method. So you can compare one integer grade to another integer grade, and it gives three values. 0 means if it is same, -1 if it's less, and 1 means grade. So what we want is if in the comparison the grades are different, then we just basically want to return that same result, because they should be coming first in the list and later in the list. Only when the grade is same, then we want to do a comparison based on the other name. And string compare already has a method called string.compare. You can give it the first and the same, and it already follows the protocol and will return something. Same thing, less than 0, 0, and greater than 0. And if it's default case, we'll say invalid operation exception. And now we should expect this program to be able to sort properly. So let me just clear the screen and run this. And now here you can see the grade 1 is Trump. 4, there were 3 people, and John, Mary, and Yogi, and they are sorted. And 9 is Biden. So yeah, so this is an excellent way to implement for custom objects the IComparable interface, so you can compare objects, as well sort, or some other operations. Thank you for watching this short screencast, and you have a great day.